This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Android 8. 0 or newer and about 100 MB free. This prevents install failures. Once done, go to Settings and enable unknown sources for the installer app because the APK isn't from Play Store. Next, download the Glass Widgets APK to your phone and note its folder. This makes the installer quick to find. Make sure to keep battery above 20% to avoid interruptions, and proceed to the installer. You open your file manager and tap the downloaded APK to install. Allow the installer to run. During setup, grant overlay permission so the widget can display above apps, plus storage and notifications so data shows correctly. Once installed, long press the home screen, choose Widgets, then pick Glass Widgets and place one on a free spot. Resize it to the desired width and height. If a permission prompt reappears, accept it now so the widget functions properly. You finish by tailoring the widget. Open its settings to choose apps, shortcuts, refresh interval, and color theme so it matches your workflow. Once configured, make sure data updates by tapping refresh. If the widget appears blank, restart your launcher. This often forces a redraw. If problems persist, clear the app cache or uninstall and reinstall the APK. Doing that preserves your choices in most cases. One key troubleshooting tip. Check overlay and notification permissions first, because missing permissions cause most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.